Okay, time for another mukbang, and while we're sheltering in place, can't be around people. So my guest today is my parrot, Persephone. Say hi, Persephone. Hello. Hello. she's a little naked today because well, she's a plucker. She's always been a plucker ever since like I found her, and I wanted to save her, but you know, once a plucker, always a plucker. Anyway, so today I have this pasta linguine with seafood that I got just before um, you know, the self-isolating went into place. So mm, Persephone loves pasta. It's one of her favorite things. So have some. Oh, she just let it slip through her claws. So I'll give her like just a short piece. Yeah, because you can't handle, yeah? Oh! She's not too bright sometimes. Yummy. Yummy. Yeah. And a lot of times she doesn't even want to grab it because like some parrots are fastidious and they don't like to get their feet like wet. And that's my other bird yelling in the background because she's like all jealous. So I'm just gonna walk over and give her some and I'll be back. Anyway, I said I would be continuing the mukbangs. You know, even in the worst of times, we still have to keep up a routine just to keep going. And we still have to eat, right? I do want to support local businesses, so I'm still going to be taking out food. People ask me all the time if I cook, and the truth is that I used to cook a lot, but ever since my husband died, I really didn't cook because it's like, first of all, it's no fun to cook for just yourself, and he just made it so fun because he really appreciated everything I did. Like even if it wasn't that great, sometimes he still like loved it. So he was a great person to cook for. And if he was here now, no doubt we would be like having a party every day, like cooking, because it was just something fun that we did together. Even though I ended up doing most of the prep work, and what he did was just throw everything in the pan and like cook it up in the end and said I cooked. But it's like, you know what, I did all the work. But it was super fun, and we're always trying new recipes, and it was fun to go grocery shopping and look for new ingredients. But this is what my life is now, mukbanging with my parrot. But she's fun too. I mean, she doesn't look it. I mean, sometimes she's like really glum, but she's actually really fun. I don't know if she can eat seafood because it's not a normal thing that a parrot like this would eat. But we'll try it. This is a little clam. Baby clam. But the thing with this bird is that she doesn't like to try new things. My other bird really loves to try new things, but this one just sticks to what she knows. And what she likes is any kind of noodle. She really likes chow mein. Okay, why don't you grab it so I don't have to hold it? Oh, thanks. Okay, that fell on me. Ugh. Ah, funny bird. Try this one. Grab it this time. Silly bird. Here, I'm just gonna lay it on here. Oh, shit. Okay, you can eat it if you want it. Otherwise, the food's gonna be gone and then you won't have anything. So there. Mm. My other bird would totally eat this, but then this part would kill her, so they can't be like near each other. But maybe I'll try switching places with them, or switching their places, and see what happens. Okay, I'm back with my other bird, Bean. And let's try the pasta with her. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. What are you running away for? Oh my god. You guys are so uncooperative. Here. Go. There we go. Noodles. You like noodles. Silly bird. Give her a small piece. There. Okay. There. See, this one has no problem eating. She loves food. She'll eat anything except like blueberries. If you try to give her a blueberry, because of the color and nature, I think she thinks that I'm trying to kill her, so she gets really angry. Anything that's a dark color, she won't eat. She's very loud. Oh. You ready? She's a good eater. What did you say? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Anyway, we're pretty much done. So, thank you. I'll be back later. I have to eat. Okay, bye.